Hi, welcome to day 5, the final day of our United States Marshals Museum Spring Break at Home Camp. I'm Leslie, Director of Education for the United States Marshals Museum. So glad you could join me today. Today we're going to talk about line of duty deaths in the Western District of Arkansas and Indian Territory. What does line of duty death mean? For the marshals, it means people that died while doing their job as a marshal, deputy marshal, or special deputy marshal. Many marshals have lost their lives keeping law and order, and many of them died during the time period we are talking about. About 113 marshals lost their lives in the line of duty in and around Indian Territory. They died trying to bring law and peace to an area that was too big for the small number of officers assigned there. As we've talked about this week, being a marshal in Indian Territory was a hard and dangerous job, and the number of marshals that died there proves it. Now you might be thinking, why would we want to talk about such a sad subject? The reason is that it's important for us to remember the people that have died serving our country, in whatever form, and to think about the lessons we can learn from their lives of service. At the museum, we have a room called the Hall of Honor. You can see it here. This is where we remember all marshals, deputy marshals, and special deputies that have been killed in the line of duty. The wall you see in the back has the names of all now 381 marshals that have been killed in the line of duty in the history of the marshals, along with where they died and when. This room also has an exhibit space, that glass case you see there on the left-hand side, computers where you can look at information about all the people on the wall, which you see there beside the exhibit case, and a piece of one of the World Trade Centers that was destroyed on September 11th, 2001. The marshals whose names are on the wall died for their country in a variety of ways. Some were killed by outlaws, some died in accidents, or some died of illness related to their jobs, such as the 4 who have now died of cancer after working at Ground Zero following the 9/11 attacks. But however they died, their lives can teach us lessons about the importance of service to our country and to other people. As Stacia Hilton, a past director of the U.S. Marshal Service, said, "Those that died at the start of the nation's journey and those that have fallen since in the line of duty will all be memorialized and their stories told, and we will hold them in our hearts and their families for the sacrifice they paid." Your activity for today is to write a thank you note to our marshals. Just as it is important to remember those who have died, it is important to remember to show those who are still with us how grateful we are for their work. If you send us your thank you notes, we'll make sure the marshals get them. I hope you've enjoyed this week's camp videos and activities and learned a little something about the marshals in Indian Territory. Thank you for spending time with me this week, and I hope to see you live and in person for our spring break camp in 2022. Bye-bye.